Alright, fourth graders, to start this project, we are going to start by picking a background color. So this finished example is done on orange paper. For my demonstration, I am going to do it on purple paper. So now that I know my background is going to be purple, I am going to pick 3 different colors of these square shapes. It does not matter the size of them at this point. On these square and rectangle shapes, you are going to be drawing an eye from the front view, an eye from the side view, and some type of nose. So I am doing this in pencil, and I am going to draw lightly in case I make a mistake. So a regular eye is going to start with a curved line at the top, curved line at the bottom. I have left some space on the sides for extra items. The inside of the eye, we can never see the top of that circle part or the bottom. So on the sides we would just see a little bit of white. We would never see the white on the top or the bottom of our eye. So if you don't believe me, take a peek at your neighbor right now. That circle is so big you can't see the top or the bottom. That middle part is the pupil. And then if you want to add eyebrows, you can. I'm actually going to flip mine this way because I have more room up here to add an eyebrow. And if you wanted to add some eyelash lines, you can do that as well on the top and the bottom. So a really rough sketch in pencil. I am going to take this other larger one and I'm going to make the side eye. So it looks like, it's hard to see on that paper. Let's see if I can find a white crayon just so you guys can see that. What I made looks like a V. Just turn to the side. On that V, I'm going to have a curved line really close to the ends, and I'm going to have another curved line towards the back to get that rounded shape of the eye, and then you would see the pupil in there as well. On this side view of the eye, you could also have some eyelashes. So lines are going away and lines are coming in on this side for the diagonal. On your third piece, you need to add some kind of a nose. On my example, the nose had quite a point. It does not have to have a point like that. I have nostrils, and because it's cubism and abstract, the nostrils aren't even in the right spots. So I'm going to add some kind of a curved line, and I'm going to add a big nostril maybe right here. Very abstract. At this point, I am ready to start coloring using oil crayons. And you do not have to have realistic colors. So on my example, I did some really nice color blending with pink and red because they're next to each other on the color wheel, and a light green and a dark green. So I am going to go with a purple eye. So I've kind of outlined that colored shape that I'm going to color, and eyes have some really cool textures coming from that black pupil. So what I'm doing is I'm actually coloring using just lines. And you guys know that next to purple on the color wheel, you would find some red. So those colors would look really nice mixed together. If you want to even smear, that would look pretty cool today too. Definitely want to color the outsides white. I suppose if it's abstract, it could be a different color if you'd like. And I'm going to finish this by outlining it all in black. So I'm going right over my pencil lines in black. Even the circle and the middle pupil. And then I am going to make the eyelashes black as well. And the eyebrow could be any color. I'm going to go with brown. So you're going to do this to all 3 of these pieces. You are going to color blend, value shade, smear, make these look awesome. Fill them in with 4th grade coloring. We just finished coloring some other projects earlier this year and you did a fantastic job on it.